Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. This week's trade of the week was as expected, actually. Let me show you. Over the past 4 months or so, ISM Services has not been trading all that well, but I thought we would have what I call a return to the mean. Now, don't forget, it's possible to lose money trading futures. So what do I mean by a return to the mean? That is a report that usually trades well, but it's going through a bad period. A return to the mean is exactly what it sounds like. It's going to go back to the way it used to be. It's going to give us a good trade. So ISM Services has been a good breakout 5-6 months ago. I told everyone in the trade room, let's trade it normally, a gold breakout. It did exactly what we expected. We got a nice move down. It started to pull back up. Somehow I held on to my stop, kept it away from the price, stayed in the trade by just a couple of ticks, and then wound up getting a target and a half, roughly a $300 trade in about 30 seconds. There it is. And then something else interesting happened after the trade. I noticed that we had a possible magnet setting up. There was no question it was setting up. You could see the magnet is the PP and the VWAP. That's a very strong area that pulls the price. Our fill, you could see the heavy line here. And then our exit is actually going to be at the magnet. The magnet is our exit, the PP and the VWAP. So I expected, probably because of the news, this magnet is going to get attracted to, and our candle is going to go and hit my target. Watch what happens. I'm not going to let the whole trade play out. It took about 4 minutes or so. First, it looks like it's going to go. Then it pulls back a little bit. And then now it's going to start. The magnet attracts. It starts to pull the price. And you're going to see we're going to hit our target. I didn't have time to put my trade on live money, unfortunately, because we were talking in the trade room. That absolutely a profitable, perfect magnet trade. We're teaching about them every week in our webinars, and you can check out your email for an invitation to be a pro member so you can learn how to trade the magnet trades and our fantastic breakouts, trap trades, earnings, the whole bit. Leigh Goldstein, our trade of the week is ISM Services, and the bonus magnet for everyone who loves trading with magnets now. More and more of us are doing it every day. See you soon in the trade room.